unprecedented commitment that enabled workforce expansion, technology adoption, operational capability, and on-ground presence. Street crime, Karachi, once synonymous with street crime, has witnessed measurable improvements. Vehicular snatching, theft is down from 256 to 176 cases daily. Violent robberies in a city of more than 20 million people is reduced to just less than one incident per day. Detection rate for street crime has rose to 81%. In Kacha area, 31 hardened criminals were neutralized in this current financial year. 400 dacoits were arrested. 775 honey trap abduction cases prevented, and kidnapping cases reduced from 35 to just 7. Our war against narcotics has yielded significant results in 24-25, with 18,000 plus drug-related cases registered, 21,700 people arrested, 83 FIRs lodged for drug peddling on campuses, 33 online drug dealers are arrested. We are not only arresting criminals, we are defending the future of our youth. In the counter-terrorism sector, we have made 42 strategic arrests and operational the CTD Fusion Center. The Smart Surveillance System S4 now operates on 42 toll plazas with artificial intelligence-powered cameras. Highway Patrol project covers 40 beats, soon scaling to 2,153 kilometers with 1,900 officers and 92 patrol vehicles. For traffic reforms, we are introducing faceless e-ticketing with 550 cameras, and this will reach to 1,300 cameras by December 2025. GPS tracking cameras, enforcement and mandatory driver education, 100,000 plus e-driving license issued in 3 months. Demerit point system introduced for repeat offenders. These are the steps that we have taken to modernize traffic reforms. To strengthen justice delivery, 50 crime units have been deployed, 215 plus investigative officers trained in modern forensics, police station record management system now linked to courts and labs. Experience in investigation is now a criteria for promotion. Strengthening the police recruitment and welfare, so we've done more than 25,000 recruitments, 8,000 officers have been promoted this year. Health insurance scheme for 15,000 plus staff and rupees 4.96 billion support has been provided. Shaheed package now ranges from rupees 23.5 billion to rupees 70 million. Rupees 1 billion already dispersed as compensation. Police station empowerment infrastructure, 31 police stations launched, 3.7 billion devolved directly to police stations. SHOs and sub-investigating officers designated as drawing and disbursement officers for localized decision-making. We are witnessing today, what we are witnessing today is not just police reforms, it is a fundamental transformation. Our streets will inshallah be safer, our forces more capable, and our communities more secure. So on the IT side, we initiated the People's Information Technology Program, and I'm glad to inform you that 14,565 students with market-ready digital skills have been trained in IT. This has been done in the 3 institutions, the NED University, Mehran University, and Sakkar IBA. More than 40% were females in Sakkar and 62% in MUET, Mehran University, were from had rural participation. In phase 2, in the next financial year, we plan to train 35,000 students. So the major financial commitment for education in the current financial year was rupees 7.5 billion for free textbooks. We have kept rupees 5 billion for the next financial year. Rupees 15.6 billion spent by a Sindh Education Foundation, enhanced to rupees 19.1 billion in the next year. rupees 800 million for girls student stipends, 2 billion for school furniture, 1.2 billion for school management committees, 4.2 billion for Aspire program. Next year it is going to be 5.5 billion, 34.6 billion spent on higher education. Next year we will increase it to 42 billion rupees, rupees 26.3 billion for educational development projects, 8.7 billion for early learning, and rupees 5 billion for secondary school rehab. So the notable achievements are early childhood care and education policy with UNICEF support, introduction of student attendance monitoring system, adopt a school program where 202 schools are opened by 94 parliamentarians, 1,302 new school buildings completed, 5,243 schools under restoration post-flood by a World Bank ADP. So we have also completed the first census of private school, enforcing 10% free ship policy, benefiting over 16,350 students. These interventions underscore our commitment to inclusive and equitable education under SDG 4. Sir, I'll move on to key achievements in water conservation. In our drive for water efficiency, 24 lining schemes covering 299 miles were completed, conserving 478 cusecs of water, enough to irrigate an additional 250,000 acres. A further 36 schemes of 506 miles are underway, valued at rupees 36 billion. Sir, we are looking to climate resilience and emergency response. The province has witnessed 6 major floods in the past 12 years, including the devastating floods of 2010 and 2022. To enhance resilience, Sindh launched the Sindh World Bank supported program, Flood Emergency Rehabilitation Program, with a total cost of rupees 61.57 billion. Key actions include 26 new ADP schemes with a spend cost 34.92 billion, updated regional flood risk plans for left and right banks of river. Our government is currently executing multiple strategic projects with international partnership and domestic financing, including the Sindh Barrages Improvement Project, the Sindh Resilience Project, the Sindh Water and Agriculture Transformation Project, the Makki Parash Link Canal Project, Shahid Benazir Bhutto Sweet Water Project, Solar Tube Well Installation Project, linking of Kalri Bagar Feeder, Upper and Pinjar Lake. So in the Works and Services Department, our performance is that we took a massive portfolio of 800 schemes under the annual development plan with a total allocation of rupees 55.19 billion, of which to date rupees 48.5 billion has been successfully utilized. Key milestones include 326 schemes to be completed by June 2025 and 2,957 kilometers of road network to be completed. Through collaboration with Federal PSDP, we are doing 5 major roads, which include the coastal highway, the Rodi to Guddu Barrage, 150-kilometer improvement of roads, dualization of Kandoalaya to Kandu Mohammad Khan Road, construction of additional carriageway around Mehran Highway from Nawab Shah to Ranipur, improvement of road from Sangar to National Highway, which is a 221-kilometer road. So the ADP funded flood emergency assistance program, we are rehabilitating 45 roads totaling 773.71 kilometers. So these strategic investments in connectivity, economic corridors and climate resilient roads will not only enhance mobility but will also foster equitable development across rural and urban Sindh.